Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will cover how to solve two-step equations. The first example is -1 equals 5 plus x over 6. The goal is to solve for x. The first step would be to multiply both sides by 6. The reason why we multiply both sides by 6 is because we want to get rid of this fraction here. So the 6's will cancel out and we would be left with 5 plus x on the right side. And we have -1 times 6 on the left side, which gives us -6. So now the next step would be to isolate this variable x. The way we would do that is by subtracting 5 from both sides. The 5's will cancel out and we're left with x on the right side and -6 minus 5 on the left side, which gives us -11. So our final answer here is x is equal to -11. All right, let's move on to the next example. Here we're solving for the variable m. So the first step would be to add 1 to both sides. Okay. The 1's would cancel out. We would be left with m over 9 on the left side, and we would have -2 plus 1 on the right side, which gives us -1. We want to isolate this variable m, so we would multiply both sides by 9. These 9's would cancel out, and we're left with m is equal to -9. This would be our final answer. Now, let me give you one more example. Let's say we have v plus 9 over 3 is equal to 8. Now we want to solve for v. Now it's your turn. Solve it and drop your answer in the comments.